You know what we in Sweden call eller? Hello!
It's a green screen. We're in the same clip.
Yes,
For once.
for the first time.
That never happens.
This is the whole Try to Thinker team.
No, not everyone. We have the editors as well.
Oh yeah, that's right. And you had a camera operator, but you had...
Yes, I have fired him.
Yeah,
He was very bad at his job.
yeah.
Couldn't do.
He couldn't do it.
He couldn't do it. He wasn't up for the task.
We had extremely high standards here at Try to Tinker.
It took 2 people to set this up.
Yes.
And this isn't perfect.
And about 4 hours.
Yeah, we said around 11. It's 2 now.
Yeah. And we are filming this in December and it will be out late March.
But we have a new format.
Yeah.
We're gonna do something else. That's not under a table.
No, not this
But we
time.
can cut in a table here. So it looks like we're under a table.
I can't promise you that we won't be under a table next time.
No.
Have we actually settled on a name for this? Try
TinkerTalks.
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 Yes.
It's a great name.
Yeah.
I like it.
So this is more of a podcasty time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We used to do a podcast once.
Or 5 times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have something for this. That's the end goal, to get back to podcasting.
Just circling around.
I think this could be a great format for a podcast. Oh, so warm already.
Oh yes.
The LED lights in here, they emit so much heat.
It's weird. No, so the plan is to do a kind of
A talkie.
yes, make a longer video where we essentially talk to each other and then to spend the time we do a small project.
Yes. It's an outlet for our minds.
Yes.
And our weird thoughts.
And our excellent speaking of English.
Yes. our very, very procured Swinglish.
Yes.
That is the end goal. For the first videos, we thought we'll make something out of this. This is it is in frame?
I don't know if it's in focus. I have no way of telling.
I can be like a Bond villain. I can sit here and just pet it.
Yes.
The chair is breaking.
So this is like a starting kit for Arduino?
Yes. Produced by a company I used to work for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it is in rather mint condition.
Yes. I haven't used it much.
But there's no time like the present.
Yes. I'm not really the electronics guy in this in this collaboration. I'm more of the wannabe. But it contains some quite interesting stuff. It contains a setup of different projects that's already mapped out.
Yeah.
And everything to do them.
So you get like an instruction manual that explains everything, and I think you also get either explanation of the code or there is done.
I think the code is done, and you get they could be like hänvisningar, what's that called?
Yeah, like a description of
Go here to find the code,
Yeah.
basically. I think that could be a thing as well. I haven't read the book.
No.
But there's a book in here as well.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah.
It's nice.
And a lot of components. You got the Arduino power supply.
Or
LEDs.
Arduino copy if we are to be very...
It's not. Right. It's not the original Arduino. It's the copy.
Yeah. I don't actually know if... Are the real Arduino still made? Aren't they called like Genuino or something?
I have no idea.
Yeah, me neither.
This is more your field.
Oh yeah.
Expertise.
Anywho.
It is right there.
So we're gonna pick a project and then we're just gonna do it and hopefully talk a bit
About stuff.
Yeah, maybe some of it will be interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is like a weapon. I can do this. Bum, bum, bum. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So we're gonna do this project. We decided to do just a NeoPixel thingy.
Yeah. It's like the hello world of NeoPixel. It's make the ring light light up.
Yeah, that's
essentially.
it. And since you are the software engineer, you're gonna do the code.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try to copy the code from this book, and you are gonna make the circuit.
Yes.
And I think we're gonna just show you a picture of this because the way we have set the camera up, it's hard to show you.
Can I have a picture? There.
And then when we fail to add it in edit, we will just have this.
It could have been nice to have a camera to show the components. But we can do that in the next one.
Yeah. This is a work in progress.
Yes.
So this is a bit of a challenge for me because I never use a Mac.
Oh right.
Yeah,
We're doing this on the Mac. Yes.
Yes.
This is like when you put a company in a certain town to make that town have some hiring thingy. We use the Mac so it gets used. Because it never gets used.
Yeah, you buy something and then you try to find out what do I need this for.
I think that has a name.
But it does look very good on your.
Yes, it looks extremely good. Yes, and I actually changed the drive to an SSD. It took 2 days.
Nice.
Yeah.
So now you can have it be in standoff faster.
Yeah, it's still exactly as slow. It's very old.
But it gives a better feeling.
Yes,
Yeah.
this looks nice, and it's very confusing to use. Well, while you do that, I can try to show the components I need, which will not be that obvious.
No.
But who cares?
We could do that. I have been on YouTube once, and then I saw other people use their phone to take close-ups. And then you can use that video and edit it in later. Yeah.
Should I do that now?
If you want to.
I can do that now. I have to.
You want to use my phone?
I can use your phone, yes. What is that?
Pornhub.
Could you at least close your tab, sir?
It's playing in the background. It's not okay.
How do you have a moving background? That's so... How do you get in that position?
And
The picture is really nice, though.
Oh yes, it is. It's the cameraman who's the problem. 1080p, yes, nice. There you go, sir.
Yes.
And I'm gonna try to go onto the interwebs.
And I'm gonna press this, yes.
Yes, the big blue one.
Oh, it's recording. So the sound doesn't matter. This is the Arduino copy. It's made by the company I used to work for, so that's not that interesting.
I really like that they have a white PCB.
Yeah, and I really like the logo. They made this logo. It's called Shell Academy.
Oh.
It's an electronics store, and they had an education thingy they were trying to launch. I still think they do, but they made these books and these kits and everything. And it's a really good thing. They donated them to schools and stuff, or sold them at least. Cool thing. So according to the book, I can show you the book. Try to. The thing looks like this. It's really simple, and it will look like this. Magic.
And I think it will hopefully blink.
Yeah, right. That's the thing where you come in.
Yeah.
But we're gonna need the ring, of course, the NeoPixel ring. I guess we're gonna need the USB cable as well. We're gonna need a breadboard. Looks like this. This is quite heavy, and it's double-sided tape.
Yeah, so you can stick it to stuff.
Oh, nice. I can make a board for it. I made a board in my latest video. It's really, really bad.
Is the question, do you have Mac OS X 10 or newer?
I do believe I do, but if you check, I think that one, and system settings.
System settings.
And allmänt, I think, or the system. No, not the allmänt.
No, this one. Perfect English. Yes.
There is supposed to be something that says something somewhere. Thingy. Oh, there, system inställningar. You go onto this thingy, and you go into OM.
About...
Version 14. So that should work then.
Nice.
I guess we'll just try.
Yeah, another way is to just try it.
More thing is we need the power supply unit. I think this is the LCD. Yeah, this is the power supply. It's hard to see on this, of course, because the bag is flaullucent. Flaullucent. Flaukenklinger kleiner.
It's a bit shiny.
It's a bit shiny. And we need the cables. I think they just use these ones because they have the, what do they call? They have these.
The connectors? The little sticks?
The little sticks, the stift. Because the other ones is just what's this called? It's called a stiftlist in Swedish at least. Oh, we got the DC power for a battery, we don't need that. I don't think they use these either, because these are just double female. Yes, because we have everything here then. Oh, no. Oh, I made a clip. We're gonna have to make a new clip. There we go. It's a good thing, because you are editing.
Lovely.
So we're gonna need this cable to connect the stuff. We're gonna need the breadboard to be the connection. We're gonna need the power supply, because, you know, power. The NeoPixel ring. The USB cable for the computer connection. And the Arduino.
Nice.
There you go.
Thank you. Arduino is a program that has been downloaded from the internet. Yes.
Remember the timer.
We have 9 minutes.
9 minutes to do this. Then we need to restart the camera.
Professionals. What are we?
Do I have a scissor?
Oh, we are running. Lovely.
These doors are quite hefty.
So, there we go.
This is gonna be nice. Here we go. So I'm gonna get this out.
How do I hold and drag?
I think you just put down and drag. I don't know. I think
Two finger grip. No.
Oh, you can do press there and drag.
Aha!
That's the thingy. It's a little weird, and that the touchpad itself is a little weird.
So this is left click then?
Yes. All right, so this has different connections. Lovely. Where's the USB? It goes there and there. You got, oh, it's already mapped out, so you know what's what on this thingy.
Yes.
Then I just attach it to the outmost pins. Should I explain what I do?
I don't think it's necessary.
The people watching this probably knows this a hell of a lot better than I do.
Probably. Or they don't care.
So could be that as well, yeah. How do I line this up?
So do you need to solder those connection on the pixel ring?
Oh, I'm not sure. We can check that actually. I think I do, because I think the holes are bigger than the Swedish stift.
Ah.
So the stift will not stick in the hole.
Ah, I see.
Yeah, that's probably the case. Yeah.
I mean, maybe we can do it just hanging around.
We can try.
Yeah. If you don't feel like solder.
I don't really care. I can solder. I rarely solder. Solder.
Yeah, I tried to figure out if it's called solder or solder. But it's called solder with an L, right?
Yeah, I think it's spelled solder.
Yeah, because I watched someone from the UK and they said solder.
Oh.
Did you break it?
No, it's supposed to be splittable. Is that good?
Yeah, because these are connected that way.
Ah, and this is...
and this is connected in rows the other way.
I have learned that these come in... No, that's the PCBs. It comes in island, links, or rows. Is that the thing?
I don't know.
Oh.
What is that?
You can run islands, then you have... I think that's groups or individual, and links, then two are linked. I don't remember.
Ah, okay. I do know that some of these, what do you call them, is it breadboard?
Breadboard.
Yeah, they are split like in the middle.
Because these are split in 3, so you can do like that.
Yeah, nice.
But that it posts a bit of a conundrum, because I have to do this, and to get the stift in the thingy, I need to do like this. And I need to match that, and it's kind of hard because it doesn't align. I need to align. Oh man, that's not gonna work. Oh, don't crack me.
Sometimes it feels like you're breaking it when you push it in.
There we go.
He broke it.
Is this supposed to be split in the middle? No, it's the wrong way around.
Yeah, it is.
Because the plus is on the minus and vice versa. Okay.
Can I steal this for a moment?
Yes, you can.
So as the first little topic, I just thought that we should mention, because we are recording this late December 2020.
Yeah.
We just got our first vaccine or vaccinated.
Yes.
An old lady.
She got vaccinated today, and they say they're gonna do the elderly and the sick first, the one that are at risk, and then they're gonna do everyone above 18.
Yeah, and like medical staff and doctors and.
They should really be first.
Yeah.
So in like June we should be vaccinated.
Yeah.
They say everyone should be vaccinated in June, I think. That's nice.
I mean, we aren't that many in Sweden compared to a lot of other countries, but still, it's a hell of an operation.
Yeah, it's a lot of people. But I've seen a picture of the vials. They look like vials.
Yeah, I heard that there was a lot of secrecy about how much and where the vaccines
it's
are
like
stored.
nukes. You need to contain them so people don't steal them. I wonder if I should get the soldering iron now, because I could connect the things that's going to be connected to this and get the soldering iron when we have to do the POS.
Yeah. Sounds like a plan.
I don't think it matters what cables I use, but you should maybe use color correction of some way, like minus and plus should be red and blue maybe, because I don't see any brown. Oh, they are length. This is a blue and that's a red.
Nice. I always start out my projects being really careful about using like red for plus, and then as the projects move on, I always just give up because I don't have the right cables. This time I'm gonna do it right.
You get quite spoiled because this has everything and has one green. That must mean good. This is for the good connection. I think signal maybe could be orange. I don't know. Or it could be green, so we know which one. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's all the same. This is when you do network connecting. There's different standards for how you do the connections, but as long as you use the same in the cable, everything works.
Yeah.
And as the connections you go to and from should be the same as well. But if you're connecting like a router and a switch, you can just use any standard and it will work. But people are really careful to use like B or A.
Because it feels good.
Yeah. But you can't mix them. If you make a long connection to like outlets with different cables, everything has to be the same, basically.
I see. Save as Arduino?
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess so. I have no idea. We never use this, so do whatever you want. Can I just check the connections?
Yeah, of course. I'm gonna figure out if I have to actually download this library.
All right. Oh, I was supposed to have a resistor as well.
Oh yeah, like 100 ohm or something.
Yep.
Yeah.
And those are here. Are these different? Of course they are, but they're tagged, so someone has. So I've started with the soldering setup here. You can see through the glass I have the power mounted now. And the soldering iron, the real... Oh, I'm out of focus. We got this blasting on max, because you need heat. Yeah, we just got this strapped up in this little crocodile thingy.
Helping hands.
Helping hands, is that what they're called?
I believe so.
They're called crocodile arms in Sweden. That's actually the name. But we got what's gonna be the power going in here, and after that we're gonna I can use maybe my finger for Here we're gonna have the ground, and the data connection is gonna go right down here. So I'm just gonna do some soldering here and see the results.
You entertain the public, yes, and I do business here.
I want to talk about my middle school years. I started out living in a shoebox.
Oh, so you had a shoebox.
I can talk about why you see this project all done. This is a theme we have. We break it and we're done.
Extremely high standards here at Try to Tinker.
The camera cut out. Yeah, the battery ran out. There will be a little short clip of my soldering setup here, but that's it.
Yeah, that's about it.
Yep. But we are done.
Yeah, great podcast. Welcome back next week.
Well, for starters, it's a start, so to speak. There are not many conclusions to draw from this. I soldered the cables on the wrong side.
Yeah.
That's something we can draw out of it. I don't know if this shows very well, but the NeoPixel has connection points from which you can put the cables in, which is good. But I soldered them in the front instead of in the back, so now the cables go in next to the LEDs. That looks bad.
Yeah, a bit bad actually.
A bit bad, yeah.
But it works.
It works. I don't think I don't have any real things to say about the build itself. It's the setup with the breadboard and the push pin cables makes it extremely easy to do. The 3 little soldering points I had to make wasn't hard.
No, and everything is clearly marked, and the instructions are great. So I mean, not this kit in particular isn't anything special, but if you want to get started, a kit like this or an instruction book like YouTube videos, it's great to just. I mean, this took about 20 minutes maybe actively. And
that's with a pause and some breaks and some.
So I mean, this is great, and it looks great too for what it is. So.
And it works.
Yeah.
Should we turn off the lights?
Oh yeah. Let's dim it down a bit.
Let's dim it.
Maybe the camera will compensate.
Yeah, probably. And the power supply has a button. I learned this.
Oh, and I have learned how to copy and paste on a Mac.
Yeah, we had to Google that.
Yeah. And also how to do a curly bracket. I had to Google.
Yeah.
But now I know.
Yeah. I will press this now.
Yes, do it.
For launch.
It's on fire!
What's that smell?
I don't know how well it picks up on this distance, but...
I think it shows nice.
Yeah, so this code is really simple. It just loops all the LEDs on and off with some random colors.
In a timing setup, I guess. Do you set the timings?
Yeah, in this kit they actually include like a, what is it called? A real-time clock module.
Oh yeah.
So if you want to make an actual clock.
Yeah.
So in this example, there are 24 LEDs, and then we just leave them on for 42 seconds, and then we turn them off.
Yeah.
So that adds up to about 1 second, and now it crashed for some reason.
It's again.
I think there is a problem in my loop because I extended the delay. So it is on and off for about 1 second. about 1 second.
But it works.
Yeah, it works.
And we also had to get a battery for my fire alarm because we had
Yeah.
none. So right now we have no fire alarm,
Which is
good.
great when you work with electronics.
You can make an actual clock with this kit.
Yeah.
We should do that.
Maybe that is a project for the next video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And resolder the thingies.
Yeah. And now I know how to copy and paste, and that's the most important skill as a programmer. So I mean, I can see no problem.
Should we say that's that?
Huh?
Is that?
Yeah, I
Are we
think
done?
that. So this wasn't very most. This. Let me
was-
start over.
The most thorough.
No, and it wasn't the most podcasty of podcast episodes, but it's a start.
Not the most complicated project.
No,
But it probably won't be that complicated.
no, it will be more about just have
The amazing subjects which
Yeah.
we bring.
which in this one was none.
But you can check out the Pixel ring.
Yeah,
And that looks nice. Shall we just watch it now for 15 minutes?
yeah, I believe so. Yeah, we need that sweet watch time on
Yeah.
YouTube.
Yeah. Should we turn it off?
No. How long do you think the battery will last?
Should we wait and see? Do you have somewhere to be?
Nope.
What will the effect be if I enhance? You know, CSI style.
Ooh.
Enhance! Oh, it's really nice.
But yeah, I think
Yeah,
you're right.
yeah,
that's
it.
that.
That's that.
We will see you next time,
Yeah.
hopefully.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.